Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log into your PNC Bank mobile banking account. PNC is a financial banking system that offers a wide range of personal banking services, including checking and saving account, credit cards, mortgage loans, auto loans, and many more. So before login, make sure that you already have the application on your mobile device. Here you can see that there are three options to sign in, or if you don't have user ID, or if you are not interested. As we are about to sign in, let's tap on the first one. Here simply write down your user ID. You can also toggle up the save user ID so that the next time they won't be asking for your user ID. Likewise, write down your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on reset password option and they will guide you for the further steps to recover your PNC banking account. In case if your user ID and your password is ready, all you can do is tap on sign in and you will be successfully logged into your PNC mobile banking account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.